What's up, everyone? So one more time, because I don't really think I said it in the last video, for the giveaway I'm giving everyone a week. So I posted that video on Friday, so this Friday coming up is when I'll announce the winner, so that I give everyone enough time. Why Joseph gotta be so extra? You're good. You're good. Perfect. You good, Joseph?
Yeah.
Damn, that shit dirty as fuck. You went off-roading in it?
My hands in the yard. This is all the pressure it has.
You gotta use your thumb on the hose. There you go. So today we're gonna show you guys how to wet sand some cheap paint, $50 paint, Rust-Oleum. Even though we don't really know what we're doing, but fuck it. Leo already did, was it this side? No, it was the other side.
What?
Leo did this side and it came out smooth.
Just that one
Wet sand and rubbing compound or polish?
Huh?
Same shit, I don't know. Rubbing compound, I guess. And
Hey, do you have like a scrub or something?
why?
Because this grass isn't coming on.
Alright, I'll get it. Alright, so we got the, what is this? Oh, 1500 grit. Bucket of water. Big ass sesame seed. And a little short dude. Everything you need to wet sand the car.
You don't got one?
Little short dude is a necessity. You can't wet sand without a little short dude. And then the ultimate compound after we wet sand. So I would move this big ass TL out the way, but my parents left and they didn't leave me the keys. So we're gonna finish off where Leo started. This is he got this little corner, and the rest of the car is bunk. But hey, at least the corner is popping. That's all that matters.
You go to the car yeah, just look right here.
That's the only section that's shiny. Yeah. All right, well, we're just gonna finish off of here, then go through the rest of the car. We'll be fine to squeeze through. It's too. I don't know about you with that big ass booty though. You might. Oh, you good? Damn! You splashing out. Alright, so we got one fender done.
Yeah.
Well, for the wet sand, now we just need to put some compound on it.
But just the sun's.
And Hector over here, say what's up. Hey Hector, fuck you. He said that's why I'd be like fuck Hector. Damn son, you got your wheels all full of paint. We're gonna use this applicator pad with the compound.
It's 22 fucking songs. This shit like an hour.
Smooth out the rest of this. Alright, so we did half of the hood.
Stop, you keep scaring me every time.
Why you dressed like a referee? You whistle and everything.
Man, I just came out of work.
A soccer referee?
No, not you.
Alright, we did half. So we're gonna put the compound on half of it. So you won't be able to see the difference.
You say compound?
Yeah, compound.
Compound.
Compound chicken.
Compound chicken.
so you'll be able to, we'll be able to feel the difference. You won't really see shit. Okay, you need to calm down, sir. You look like you're about to judge a dodgeball game or something. If you could dodge a car, you could dodge a ball. Alright, so you can immediately feel the difference. You can't really see it because of shade and everything, but look, right here,
No, like this.
it immediately goes.
It goes.
Slipping on wet floor. Damn. There's such a difference. Right here, it does that. Right here, it's all. Got my pants all dirty. These are my good pants. What? Hey, Sus, I'm taking a nap. So we got the whole front half of the car done. Now we just need the booty. We'll be set. Ow, it kind of hurt. I don't even know if you could tell on camera, but you can tell in person, but can't really tell on camera. This shit looks so shiny.
Hey, you want this?
What the fuck? You got a gift basket? Whose Valentine were you?
Just kidding.
You got a teddy bear in here.
I got a lot of presents.
Alright, well, we're almost. This is the last quarter panel? Is what you call it?
Rear quarter panel, yeah.
Yeah. We did the whole rest of the car. Ooh, look at that. Honestly, the video doesn't even do it justice, but hey, you can actually kind of see it on camera.
Really?
But now we just need to wipe it off. I put some of the rubbing compound, and I'm gonna wipe it off with a towel. Hey, Asu's don't want it. I'm about to give this shit to my mom. To my mom. Also, a couple people asked. I told everybody I was giving them a week. So, you guys got till Friday to post your memes. So me and Jesus and Joseph and Marcel can pick out the winner for the shirts.
Yeah.
What you got to say about this? What do you think of the memes so far? You've seen so far?
They're pretty funny. Yeah, there's some that are pretty funny. Yeah.
I know there's.
So we're gonna find out.
We're gonna find out. Zeus, move your dung beetle out the way.
You said bum beetle?
I said dung beetle. Hurry up, move so Joseph can get his car out my garage. Go for it, buddy. Damn, son, look at that fitment. Woo. Dang, you tucking rim. Barely. And what?
So let me get a picture of your car and my car at the same time.
Oh, shit. Hey, man, your paint almost looks as good as mine now. Look at this. This milk stain all over my car. I mean, my garage.
Big ass milk stain. Thank you.
Bucket of milk in there. What?
It's a big ass milk stain.
Yeah, look at it.
Hey, it comes off your pants, right?
I don't know. Probably not.
Chicken? Oh, that's chicken nuggets? No, bitch. They're probably old. Like, don't eat it. Don't fucking eat it.
What? You eating old chicken nuggets?
Yeah, from like 2 weeks ago.
Hey, why you throwing it on my grass? Pick up.
You gotta. Is that
Marcel,
shooting?
he over here wasting chicken nuggets. He throwing them on the floor and shit. Joseph, look. Hey, we throwing that hard ass chicken
bitch.
nugget at me, bitch. Ooh, about to take some Instagram photos. Damn, that looks dope. Got mine over here under the tree.
Everybody know I'm bringing the facts, and they wonder why I got it like that. Cause I put everything right on the track, and you know I'ma fuck around and let it know I've been living like war, I've been living. You already know it. These motherfuckers wanna take it, but never mistaken. I'm sure where I'm going, and I'm knowing what I'm doing. Intuition never switching on a mission, motherfucker.
You got this.
Damn, nigga.
You almost had it.